Boxycharm got here today and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So this little card tells you more information about the product and the price. I got variation number 2. So the first item from Touch and Soul, this is Pretty Filtered Glassy Skin Balm. So here's what it looks like, and I think it's really nice packaging. It's supposed to melt into your skin and give you a beautiful glow throughout the day. Here is a lip gloss that I got, and I think I'm going to put it in a giveaway. This is from the brand Iconic, and it's a lip plumper. I was very surprised to see this in my box. This is from Cella, and it's a pair of black tweezers. Next up from Skin & Co, I got this Radiant Dewy Mist Spray. So this is the first time I received a Dose of Colors palette, and this is in Baked Browns. So here are the eyeshadows. They're actually very pretty, nice for day or evening looks, and I like that it comes with a mirror. So this is everything that I received in this month's Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got, and like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.